Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So today we are making this authentic Nigerian buns with a twist. Trust me when I say this is not your regular. There is a special ingredient added to this that gave us that super crunchy outside and so soft inside. So guys, if you're interested in seeing how I made this Nigerian buns, please keep watching. First, I'm going to be mixing my dry ingredients as usual. My flour is already sieved, so I'll just mix all my dry ingredients together before going in with my margarine. So guys, as usual, I'm going to be listing out the accurate measurements and ingredients for this recipe in the description box, so please do well to check my description box, okay? And guys, if you've not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free. Trust me, you are not paying. Subscription is just free, okay? And like, comment and share. Thank you. So here I mixed my wet ingredients. Like I said earlier, everything is going to be in the description box. So I'll just mix this thoroughly, mix it well, and then here we have our secret ingredients, cornflakes. Guys, cornflakes adds this crunchiness and sweetness, a special sweetness to your buns. Trust me, if you've not add cornflakes to your not conflicts, please, cornflakes to your Nigerian buns, you've been missing out on something. Just try it and thank me later, okay? So I'll just combine this together, combine well, and this is how I'm going to be scooping this in my oil, just like this, guys. Guys, at this point we're ready to fry, and to check if our oil is hot enough, I scooped in a little of our dough and it pops up immediately. That shows it's ready to our oil is hot enough to fry our buns. So I'll just scoop in the quantity my pan can carry and stir immediately. And guys, make sure while frying this your oil is not so hot, it's not too hot, so it doesn't start turning brown outside while it's not cooked inside. So you have to be very careful, control your heat, okay? So at this point our Nigerian buns is ready to be enjoyed, but my dough is still remaining and I had to repeat same process to finish my dough. And here we are, guys. See how crunchy it looks outside. So here I repeated same process, stir, and finally our buns is ready. Guys, just see, this tastes like cake, so crunchy outside. I like how the outside tastes and feels, and see how soft it is inside. This tastes so good. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Just do the good stuffs.